Once again, it's Alice Gordon, ecomcashqueen.com. I am a motivational speaker and expert business coach. I help entrepreneurs to elevate and operate at peak performance. I also help online business owners to dominate traffic, sales, and conversions in the online space. So I'm excited to be here with you guys this morning. And today I am talking about traffic tips for handmakers. What can handmakers do, or handmaking artists do, to get out there a little more and to promote their products and get people to actually be clicking on their site and visiting their website to make purchases. So this was actually a question from one of the members in my group. And if you're not in my group yet, you can find that on Facebook. Either visit the Ecom Profit Tribe, guys, to find the group, or in short, you can go to bit.ly/the Ecom Cash. Okay, so bit.ly/Ecom Cash is the short way, and I'm getting all tongue-tied, that you can also find the group. So if you're looking to make sales, you're looking to increase traffic and conversions, I want you guys to join that group. So as you're coming in live, definitely drop me a comment below. Let me know that you are here with me. I see you guys coming in here. Let me know where you're coming in from. And today we are going to knock out some traffic tips for handmakers. Hey, welcome in, Maradona. Good to see you, love. Thank you so much for coming in. And these tips can also be used, guys, if you have a business or a product and you're looking to increase traffic and sales as well. Hey, friend, welcome in, lovely. Thank you so much for coming in. So you guys can use these tips for any business. I want you to think outside the box. So we are going to jump in. Okay, so tip number 1, influencer marketing. I want somebody to put that in the comments, influencer marketing. This is a great way to tap into the traffic that you don't have. Why reinvent the wheel? Okay, you never know, somebody out there who already has the audience will fall in love. Thank you so much, Kara. Welcome in, hon. They will fall in love with your product or service, guys. Okay, yes, influencer marketing. Okay, you can find these influencers on Instagram. You can find them on YouTube. Some of them have blogs with lots of visitors. Some of them are on Facebook. Some of them are on Pinterest. I want you guys to think outside of the box. Contact them. Most of them welcome it. The way that you typically can tell whether or not an influencer marketer will work with brands, they normally say it. Right? Yes. And some are free. That's right, Kara. So don't always think that you need money to do things. Okay, yes, you do need money. Some money is required to run a successful business, but you don't always need money for everything. So start to visit these profiles, guys, and start to read around. A lot of them will say for inquiries, or if you'd like to work with me for promotions, either DM me or email me. And a lot of times they will provide their email address right there on the spot for you guys to be able to contact them. And I have actually worked with quite a few influencer marketers that did not charge me a single red cent, a single dime. Okay, so I want you guys to take advantage of that, because what happens is that you may not have the audience, but they do. And when they either wear your product or they talk about your product on social media, you gain all kinds of followers that you can market to. From there, you want to take those followers and you want to get them onto your list. So if you don't have those things in place, I'm your girl. You need a marketing plan. You need to connect with me so that we can put those steps in place so that we can build your list, because those are the foundations of any successful online business. Okay, guys? So number 1 is influencer marketing. Number 2, customer reviews. I want you to get customer videos and customer photos. Even if you have to send out, and welcome in, everybody. Even if you have to send out some samples to some people who haven't actually particularly purchased from you, just to get the ball rolling, you're going to need some reviews. People in action with your product, right, Kara? You're going to need some people pictured with your product, some people using your product. You need to get your product in the hands of as many people as possible, and you want to be generating as many as pictures and reviews as possible when you're getting these products in the hands of your customers, okay? Because you want people to see that your product is hot and that people are actually using that product. And I want you guys to utilize this in your emails to people, in your social media. Let me give you an example. This is what I mean about thinking outside the box. I do not create things necessarily, guys, for sale online with my hands. Okay. Yes. Okay. And Kara says in her experience, it's good to ask people whether or not it's okay to post the reviews on your sites and things like that. And that's true. Or you can just tell your customers to tag you in or to use a specific hashtag so it goes into a certain feed. And I see now on Instagram, you can actually add that hashtag into your bio section so that when people click that, they see the whole feed of pictures. So Instagram is making it very, very easy to utilize these different things. Okay, yeah. So for your store, Kara, you can have a specific tag that people can use. So when you send out the package, you say tag this hashtag with your product, and you will be featured, because people like to be featured. So some people don't like it, but the majority of people want to show up on your feed. They want to get credit for buying from you. That's just the nature of people. So that's something that you can kind of like do, guys. Okay. So you want to get your products on people. You want to get people buzzing about them. You want to let your potential customers know that my store isn't dormant. My store isn't dead. My product works. And you can see that it works because so many customers are in tune, with my product. They love my product. They're posting pictures about my product. And once again, if you want to encourage your customers to leave you reviews, when you send out packages, guys, with your handmade products, you can put a little postcard in there that says, hey, hashtag this. I would love to see your reviews, and you will be featured, or you'll be entered for a chance to win X, like a gift package if you share your review photo or something like that. Okay. So number 2 is customer reviews. So the last one, guys, that I want to share with you guys today is you want to tap into platforms that have the traffic that you don't have. For a similar reason that you want to use influencers. For the same reason you want to tap into platforms that have traffic that you don't have. So if you don't have buzz around your product yet, you haven't tapped into exactly who your audience is that actually wants to use your product, you need to get in front of people who do have that audience. Okay. So there are lots of marketplaces that you can use that you can sell your product on when it's time to launch. Let me give you some examples. Group deals, and it ends with a Z. The deals ends with a Z. Group deals, and there are other similar boutique marketplaces is what they're called. So what I want you to do is go to Google, and I want you guys to Google boutique marketplaces. What they do, they take in a large number of your inventory, and they have these flash sales. And what happens is that they email their large audience of probably millions of people, okay, about your product. They have the audience, you have the product, they take a small percentage of it, and when the sale is over, you're responsible for shipping out your product to hundreds of customers. I want you guys to try it because it's a great way to get your brand out there. Look up group deals. I want you to look up these kind of platforms, okay, guys, because this is a great way to get your brand out there and into the hands of your customers. So welcome in, guys. Say hello to me. Let me know where you're coming in from. Thank you so much for coming in. Okay. Other platforms, launch your product on Amazon. They have the traffic. They have the audience. Hey, love, welcome in. Thank you so much for joining in. And I have the eyeshadow on today, girl. I'm going to post my picture on my profiles. Thank you so much for that. So tap into those platforms that have the traffic. No need, guys, to reinvent the wheel. Thanks, love. No need to reinvent the wheel. Okay, if you don't have the traffic, find out who does, right? And put your product before that audience. So all of these things, okay, that I shared with you guys, we talked about influencer marketing. We talked about customer reviews and getting photos of your customers wearing your products or just pictured with your products. You want to let your potential customers know, and I'm getting tongue-tied this morning. Haven't even had breakfast yet, guys, okay? Yes, why not, Kara? Why not Amazon Handmade? Okay, Amazon has all kinds of marketplaces, guys. They have a marketplace that's specifically for t-shirts called merch. All right, well, I've already started kind of getting it in over there. They have Amazon Handmade, and then they have the regular Amazon, guys. Why not launch your products on Amazon? Why? Because they have a huge audience that they have developed for you. So why not give it a shot? Tap into someone else's audience to get more money. Simple as that, to run your business and to create more products, to hire more people so that you can save your time and energy for creating, for doing what you love to do. Okay, guys? So those are my 3 tips. I just want to let you guys know that the Profit Freedom Tribe Academy and Coaching Mastermind, it's about to pop, guys. It's about to launch, and you don't want to miss that. You're going to get in on the first launch at a great lifetime introductory price. You don't want to miss it. Sign up for updates, guys. I put the link in the comment, bit.ly/PFT-launch. All lowercase. I want to see you guys in there. Definitely sign up so that you can know when we're going to launch. So I love you guys. Be blessed, be prosperous. I want you to have a beautiful day just as you are. Once again, this is Dallas Gordon, ecomcashqueen.com. Hello to all my replay viewers. If you guys have any questions, drop them below. Thank you guys for coming in. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.